I think it's August 15, Monday. August 18 pala. Oh my gosh. It's my day 1 of walking. Ninilagad ako. I'm just walking. Sobrang ganda dito sa subdivision namin. Like, guys, ako lang nagwa-walk dito. Ang ganda.
Falling, you look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start
Lang na,
of
ang daming aso. Kanina, hahabulin ako ng 3 aso. Alam nyo ba, ang laki na itong subdivision na to. Ngayon lang ako nag-walking. So, yung mga 1 month na ako dito. Kasi natakot ako na like maligaw. Pero buti na lang yung Strava. Maganda yung map niya. As in. So, try nyo yun. Check. Hi! Wow! Jaggeries! So guys, yung sunscreen ko is Honest Glow. May pagka white cast. Siguro sa morena, hindi ko siya recommended. Pero kung lasing ano ko lang kayo, reko ko to. Kasi sobrang nakakaputi. Puting, ay, yung puting glowy ka. Yung parang pag tinamaan ka ng araw, wow, yes! Ganda na skin. Ganun. Ito pala gamit ko. JMCY Matte Lip Color in the shade MNO2. Ganda nito. Lalo na sa mukuti. MLBB siya. So good. See? Hindi siya ganong ka-pink. Hindi siya ganong ka-red. Ganda. Perfect. Happy Skin Lip Jelly Dewy Gel Tint in the shade of Cherry Cola. The best to, as in. Lalo na, I think sa morena, mas okay to. Sobrang ganda. Look. And then, blush. Ulitong blush. I do it all day. Liquid blush. Always charming. Kamay lang. Pak. Ganda. Parang hindi nabibigyan ng justice. Ito na yan, guys. Pa-powder lang ako. Yung powder, kung ganda nito. Yung bake setting powder ng Vice ko. Alam ko, in the shade banana to eh. Parang ayoko kasi nung translucent nila. Pero ito parang translucent din. Hirap lang buksan. O ako lang, syunga lang ako. Para kahit bumiyahe-biyahe ako, pak pa rin. Se? Winner. Winner tong powder na to. I recommend this kahit saan. Hindi pa tayo ko tinitigyawat dito. See? Atake lang. Ah, diba?
Welcome, this is your life now. The wasteland where we all take a vow. With some glow due to radiation, two heads where there usually is one.
I was seeing Alex, and my dad, who was just fuming, my brother was fuming. You just did a boy band member.
So guys, as you can see, naka pajama. Yung jacket ako, cup. Cause lalabas kami. It's 12 a.m. Saturday na actually. Then magmi-midnight snack, lalabas kami. Actually, everything magmi-midnight snack kami. Palitan kami kung saan yung mamimili. And it's his turn now. Hindi ko alam saan kami. So, stay tuned guys.
Hands up, Galileo.
Ano? Ano? Galileo.
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers.
Live.
Who's your wife?
You.
Yeah.